Rich moisturizing facial cream provides immediate, long-lasting relief to dry, itchy and irritated skin. Instant long-lasting relief, low irritant, clinically proven to strengthen and restore skin's moisture barrier. Apply to face and neck after cleansing and serums morning and evening. If used in the AM, follow with SPF. Relieve dry, itchy, irritated skin with this moisturizing facial cream, which soothes the skin with instant, long-lasting relief. Contains a skin-soothing complex of essential lipids, vitamin B3 and provitamin B5 to relieve skin and protect against skin irritants. 3.3 fluid ounces. A rich facial cream for red, sensitive skin. Triple Relief Formula provides anti-dryness, soothing and anti-itchiness by moisturizing. Immediate and long-lasting moisture relief. Advanced biomimic technology with essential lipids, vitamin B3 and provitamin B5. Clinically proven to strengthen and replenish the skin's moisture barrier. Contains P to relieve itching and redness associated with dryness. P-palmitamide mea is a naturally occurring lipid compound that may act as an antioxidant and anti-irritant. No fragrances, preservatives, parabens, colorants, mineral oils, animal origin ingredients. Hypoallergenic and non-comedogenic. Top reviews from the United States. Fantastic. Finally, something that reduces irritation, calms redness, and eliminates itchiness, all while being moisturizing on my dry skin. This stuff works, guys.